This is Eric with Mother.com with a quick educational video here. Now consider this concept that the RSI is a measure of sentiment. Now for a while I've been stating that if price is king, then RSI is lord. In my opinion, the one aspect of trading that moves price tends to be the overriding sentiment. And so the RSI can capture some of these areas. So let's take a look at a couple lines here, and I'm going to use the uniformity concept. Let's take a look at this breakpoint here coming into early 2020. We see what happened when we broke below this area. Prices really saw a big drop. All right, that's all well and good. But now what we can do is let's take this area and extend it and keep it there for future reference. Now, should the RSI come and move above this area and back below it with uniform action, hence why I decided to call this the uniformity method, because of uniform action. So the concept is called uniformity. A concept by yours truly, shared with you with lots of love. So, had you kept this here over the months, you can see what has happened recently. Oh, by the way, this is a monthly chart. It's taken a while, but it's come back here, and in its own choosing, it's decided to stall. So we can see that unless and until it clears this area, the sentiment is suggesting that there is some downside pressure on this monthly chart that needs to be worked out. Put it another way, the RSI is telling us that this was always going to be a potential for a trap. Keep in mind this area with the red line is conveniently around RSI, 61.8. And now let's do another exercise. A good line should also work going backwards in time. So let's do that. Now you'll notice, or let me show you, there's uniform activity below, above the line, back below it for that high. Remember, we're going backwards. Here, notice what happened. We broke below it and prices went lower. And then notice we had gone above this area for a very strong push to the upside. So this area around RSI 61.8, if you know what you're looking for, can be of great guidance. Now, remember, we can get into other aspects. For example, and I won't get into this in this video because that's a subject for another day. There's a breakout here. That failed. We can even say that there's a breakout that was successful last month, but we can see as of this month failing. So there's a lot on these charts, but I'm gonna with why a study of the RSI as a measure of sentiment can help improve our sight when it comes to the probabilities, the potentials for where an instrument wants to go. Eric with Mother.com. Love, light, light, love. Namaste.